What's up everyone? Welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can find out which website is using what technology, what plugins they are using, what hosting they are using. We will get all of the details by using the platform which is built with. So for example, we are going to take Helibeaver website. It has a raw skin website. So this is the website, and we want to know the details like which website they are using, what domain they are using, whatever the hosting plan they are using. We will get all of the details from it. So what you have to do is just go on and copy the domain name. You just have to go and type Google with. It will lead up to this website. When you just go and head and enter the link and just click on lookup, you will get the details about the technology they are using, what platforms they are using, what social media using, what alternative we can find out. So you will get the analytics and tracking. For example, I just searched it and I get all of the details about it, what widgets they are using, and e-commerce they are using as a Shopify website. So we directly know that this website is basically Shopify website. What plugins they are using, for example, we also get the details about the framework, mobile optimization. We get the content delivery network. They are using Cloudflare, and we also get the details about the media library. They are using Vimeo for it, JavaScript library and functionality. They are using React to create a mobile application, and we will get the details about the advertisement. Verified account is TikTok and Instagram, how they are promoting, email hosting provider. We get the name server, so it's a Google domain. We also get the hosting platform has been taken by Shopify itself. We get all of the details. It is Cloudflare CDN, so that's the reason that it is going to be very fast and quick. They are using Href, and it's a content delivery network, and we get so many details just by entering in build with. So we get everything and every details about it of the website. Another thing, we just have to go and control you on the website. You get on the back end of the website. Now this is for the technical people. For if you're not technical, build with will help you with many of the things. If you're a technical person, you just have to scroll and find out the code. Most of the website are you will find is going to be on WordPress. So just looking at first screen, you can see it's a Shopify website. So this is for the technical people, but you will get like WPA is going to be for WordPress. And if you go with Squarespace, you will get more of the details just by pressing Control U, because build with is expensive. You have to pay for it, but for starting just knowing about it, it's going to be free. So you get the plan and you can just see how things are been moving. But if you don't have money, just you want to care like what platform they are using, this was going to help you by pressing Control U on your Chrome browser. So if you want to know more details, you will have complete detail using build with. This will help you in the journey to find out what platform they are using, how they are growing your business, and so on and so forth. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys next time.